Hey guys, it's Marcus here at UK BBQ School this morning. So we're getting ready for our season ahead, and there's a lot of cleaning. It's not all glamorous, and there's a lot of cleaning, a lot of tidying, a lot of sorting that needs to do just to get ready for the season ahead. The sort of barbecue school does run year round, but classes have really started up this year in March. Excited to welcome a lot of you to barbecue school this year. There's been a lot of demand, people wanting to get in on classes, and that's fantastic to see. But it's not all glamorous, so let's have a quick look around at what I'm up to today. So a nice little job. Let's get rid of some of this bark and bits and pieces off the floor. So we swept the floor up and there was plenty of bark from where I've cut the wood. So let's get rid of this first, and that'll keep me a bit warmer today. So it's a lovely day here, and it's pretty frosty. It's a couple of degrees this morning, so I just want this and a cup of coffee to warm me up before I get started. So as you can see, it's a bit of a work in progress here, and I've got bits to sort out. I've got grills to clean. I've got a nice fire pit here. I've got to give a bit of love to. I sorted out my pans the other day. They're all sorted, but yeah, I've got a few little grim bits that I've got to sort out. Grills that have got a bit grubby, and yeah, just a general clean up. I'm having a little move around, and yeah, changing things about a little bit. So again, I've got a few grills to sort out, and yeah, it's good. My log stack. So going into the barbecue school itself, my shop and my sort of area here. So yeah, just having a bit of a sort out in here and a declutter and get ready for the season ahead. Yeah. So as you can see, it's not all glamorous, lovely sunny July evenings here, having a beer or two in the evening, and there's a lot of work that goes into running a barbecue school. A lot of people don't realise. There's a lot of stuff goes on behind the scenes all the time. So I'm really lucky to have this beautiful barbecue school here, and yeah, I look forward to seeing some of you guys here over the summer. Cheers, take care.